A bench trial versus a jury trial. Which one should you pick? Want to know the answer? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about bench trials versus jury trials. Now, before I get deep into this, I want to warn you or advise you that if you have an attorney, please speak with your attorney about the facts of your case, because your attorney is privy to the specific instances and the specific facts that are important in your case. What I'm going to talk to you today about is just some general information as to what is a bench trial versus a jury trial. Now, first of all, I want to talk with you about is the bench trial. What is this bench trial, Marcus, you're talking about? Well, in a bench trial, the judge is not only going to be the decider of the facts, but the judge is also going to decide legal issues. There's not going to be anybody in the box that's going to listen to everything. You're going to make your case to the judge. The judge is going to decide not only the factual issues such as credibility of witnesses and how much weight to give to certain pieces of evidence. The judge is not only going to listen to that and decide that, but the judge is also going to decide the legal issues that come up in your case. So for example, if you've got an objection as to hearsay on something, the judge is going to deal with that objection also, because it's a legal issue that has to be dealt with. The judge is going to deal with that and also deal with, like I said earlier, the factual issues of your case. So that's what a bench trial is. Now we're going to switch gears and we're going to talk about the jury trial. The jury trial is different from the bench trial in that the jury is going to be the one who will decide the factual issues. Remember when I talked about that bench trial earlier, I said, well, the judge is going to listen to not only the factual issues, but the legal issues also. Well, in a jury trial, the jury, the people in the box, they're the ones who are going to decide the factual disputes. So let's say, for example, you have an issue that comes up and maybe the doctor in your medical malpractice case is saying one thing, but a medical record maybe contradicts what the doctor is saying. Well, it's going to be up to the jury to determine who they're going to go with as to this. Are they going to go with the medical record and what the medical record is saying, or are they going to give more credit or more weight for the evidence? Are they going to give more of it to the doctor? So that's what we're talking about. These factual disputes, that is what the jury is going to be there for. The technical legal issues are not going to be decided by the jury. So like I said in that other example that I had in the bench trial, let's say that you have a witness that's getting ready to testify. Well, Marcus told me X, Y, and Z, and the attorney on the other side makes an objection. Well, the judge is going to deal with that. The judge is going to decide, well, is it a hearsay objection, or is there some other legal issue that could be present in that situation? So that's what the judge is going to be there in a jury trial for. The judge is going to be tackling all of these technical legal issues. Now, again, what I said earlier, whether you should have a bench trial or a jury trial, if you've got an attorney, that is a decision that you need to speak with your attorney about, because like I said earlier, your attorney is privy to all of the facts in your situation, and your attorney can help you make the best guess as to whether you should go on a bench trial versus whether you should have a jury trial. Your case may be something that is really law related, or you really think that the facts aren't really that in big of a dispute in this particular type of case, and maybe it's a lot of legal issues that have to be decided. You and your attorney might say that, you know what, it's better for a judge just to listen to this versus a jury. But again, if you've got an attorney, talk it over with your lawyer first so you can know which way is best for you. Now, why have I taken the time today to talk to you about all of this? Because I'm trying to help you understand this process. You may be watching this video right now because you think that you are the victim of medical malpractice in Maryland, and you are trying to learn more about what is it going to be like. Should we have a jury trial, or should we have a bench trial in a medical malpractice case? So I'm trying to help you understand this process and some of the critical issues that you will have to deal with going forward. If you have more questions and concerns about your situation, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this action. And that is, go ahead and pick up that phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.